Ahead of the Supreme Court's hearing on Idgah Maidan being allowed for Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations, we see massive police deployment in Bengaluru at the Idgah Maidan. There you have it, visuals coming in of police deployment. We're seeing a huge deployment by the police to ensure law and order once the Supreme Court announces a decision on whether or not other festivals of other religions could be allowed at this very Idgah Maidan, which is governed by the Waqf Board. Almost a police drill of sorts that's currently taking place. Nagarjun Dwarkana joining us for more on that. Nagarjun, a quick word. We're seeing the police in Bengaluru taking no chance. The very popular Idgah Maidan, which so long allowed for only festivities of Eid, anything to do with the Muslim community, as it was governed by the Waqf Board. The Idgah Maidan falls right in the heart of Bengaluru city. Here you have many groups now asking for Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations to be allowed at that same Idgah Maidan. Waqf Board claiming this will lead to communal tension. Tell us more. What do you see there?
Well, the Idgah Maidan in Bengaluru city, or the survey number 40, as the revenue department has called now, has turned into a complete fortress with RAF and police deployment. Let me read out the security deployment which is done by the Karnataka government and the police department here in Bengaluru city for tomorrow's celebration, as long as the Supreme Court allows to. So that's a disclaimer. The case is being heard today. If the Supreme Court permits and status is maintained as per the High Court order, tomorrow celebrations will happen. 3 DCPs, that is the Deputy Commissioner of Police, IPS rank officers, 3 of them will be deployed in and around the ground. 21 ACPs, 21 Assistant Commissioner of Police, 47 police inspectors, 130 police sub-inspectors, 126 assistant sub-inspectors and 900 head constables, 120 of rapid action force and SWAT team which will contain 100 police personnel. So you can see the amount of police deployment that is being prepped tomorrow for the Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations. In Hubli also we have seen that permission has been granted for 3 days. Here the court has given permission, but however the government of Karnataka is yet to make its stand clear. But what they're doing right now is the police have beefed up the security in Chamrajpet and Idgah Maidan, which is a sentiment or a clue that the government is willing to take up the Ganesh Chaturthi festival and give an option for the right wing or a chance for the right wing organizations to celebrate the festivals tomorrow. All eyes towards the Supreme Court verdict this afternoon. If the Supreme Court too, the Apex Court too, suggests that communal harmony should be maintained. Nothing wrong in if all religion celebrations are done in Idgah Maidan.
Right. You know, Nagarjun, thank you very much for joining us. Those are the visuals that you see at the Idgah Maidan, Bengaluru Central. They're waiting for the Supreme Court's verdict. Ahead of that, in anticipation of any kind of tensions, here's police deployment to ensure peace in the area.